Halo teman-teman, jumpa lagi dengan saya Joe di SEF Speaking English Fluently atau berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan lancar. Untuk yang baru bergabung, saya ucapkan selamat bergabung dan ayo belajar bersama-sama untuk meningkatkan kemampuan kita berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan kaidah yang benar. Dan jangan lupa di subscribe supaya kalian dapat terus mengikuti update dari channel ini. Untuk yang sudah bergabung, tolong dibantu like dan share-nya ke teman-teman supaya lebih banyak yang tahu channel ini dan dapat belajar bersama-sama kita. Ditunggu saran dan usulan kalian di kolom komen supaya channel ini makin disukai dan berkembang. Demikian juga jika ada pertanyaan-pertanyaan seputar pembahasan, jangan segan-segan tanyakan di kolom komen. Saya akan usahakan untuk segera membalasnya. Oke, langsung saja kita bahas topik kita kali ini, yaitu lanjutan dari preposition. Preposition 3. Kita mulai dengan preposition at. Amazing at, brilliant at, clever at, excel at, excellent at, expert at, good at, great at, superb at, wonderful at. Ini semuanya berarti ahli atau pandai atau cakap dalam. Contoh dalam kalimat, she's amazing at making cheap but stylish clothes. She's amazing at making cheap but stylish clothes. Artinya, dia pandai dalam membuat pakaian yang murah tapi bergaya. He is brilliant at handling difficult clients. He is brilliant at handling difficult clients. Dia brilian dalam menangani klien yang sulit. I'm not very clever at math. I'm not very clever at math. Saya tidak terlalu pandai dalam matematika. I have nothing I feel I can excel at. I have nothing I feel I can excel at. Saya tidak memiliki apapun yang saya rasa dapat saya unggulkan. She is excellent at her job. She is excellent at her job. Dia sangat baik dalam pekerjaannya. The cook was an expert at making sauces. The cook was an expert at making sauces. Koki itu ahli dalam membuat saus. Tom is good at imitating his friends. Atau Tom is great at imitating his friends. Artinya sama saja, yaitu Tom pandai meniru teman-temannya. She was great at reading other people's mind. Dia pandai dalam membaca pikiran orang lain. Eileen superb at singing. Elaine jago dalam menyanyi. Things were wonderful at the beginning. Things were wonderful at the beginning. Segalanya indah pada awalnya. Kita lanjutkan. Masih di preposition at. Angry at atau mad at itu artinya marah pada. You are just angry at me cause I don't want to go. Kamu hanya marah padaku karena aku tidak ingin pergi. You are just angry at me cause I don't want to go. Are you still mad at me? Are you still mad at me? Apakah kamu masih marah padaku? Arrived at, tiba di. We arrived at our destination. We arrived at our destination. Kami sampai di tempat tujuan kami. We arrived at the hotel late. We arrived at the hotel late. Kita tiba di hotel terlambat. Bad at, inept at, woeful at, hopeless at, atau terrible at, itu artinya semua tidak payah, tidak ahli atau payah dalam. She's hopeless at managing people. She's hopeless at managing people. Dia tidak dapat diharapkan dalam mengelola orang. I'm inept at sports. I'm inept at sports. Saya tidak kompeten dalam olahraga. They are terrible at organizing anything. They are terrible at organizing anything. Mereka buruk dalam mengatur apapun. Delighted at, senang dengan. We are all delighted at the news. We are all delighted at the news. Kami semua senang dengan berita itu. I am delighted at your success. I'm delighted at your success. Saya senang dengan kesuksesanmu. Laugh at, menertawakan. Don't laugh at him. He's very sensitive. Don't laugh at him. He's very sensitive. Jangan mentertawakannya, dia sangat sensitif. She's not afraid to laugh at herself. She's not afraid to laugh at herself. Dia tidak takut menertawakan dirinya sendiri. Quick at, artinya cepat dalam. Tiffany is quick at learning. Tiffany is quick at learning. Tiffany cepat dalam belajar. He is quick at calculation. He is quick at calculation. Dia cepat dalam perhitungan. Shout at, berteriak pada. What did you shout at him for? What did you shout at him for? Untuk apa kamu berteriak padanya? You don't have to shout at me. You don't have to shout at me. Anda tidak perlu meneriaki saya. Kita lanjutkan. Smile at, tersenyum pada. Will the baby smile at her mother? Apakah bayinya akan tersenyum pada ibunya? I made eye contact and smiled at her. I made eye contact and smiled at her. Saya menatapnya dan tersenyum padanya. Surprised at, terkejut akan. I was very much surprised at the news. I was very much surprised at the news. Saya sangat terkejut akan berita itu. We were really surprised at the price of food in that restaurant. We were really surprised at the price of food in that restaurant. Kita benar-benar terkejut atas harga makanan di restoran itu. Stare at, menatap ke. It's impolite to stare at a girl. It's impolite to stare at a girl. Tidak sopan menatap seorang gadis. Everyone in the room turned to stare at her. Everyone in the room turned to stare at her. Semua orang di ruangan itu berpaling untuk menatapnya. Kita ke preposition on. Agree on, sepakat pada. We don't agree on anything, but we are still good friends. We don't agree on anything, but we are still good friends. Kita tidak sepakat dalam apapun, tetapi kami masih berteman baik. Are we all agreed on this? Are we all agreed on this? Apakah kita semua sepakat dalam hal ini? Based on, berdasarkan pada. The film is based on true story. The film is based on true story. Film ini berdasarkan pada kisah nyata. Their marriage is not based on love. Their marriage is not based on love. Perkawinan mereka tidak berdasarkan pada cinta. Check on, memeriksa. I'll just check on dinner. I'll just check on dinner. Aku hanya akan memeriksa makan malam. You should go to have the doctor check on your health. You should go to have the doctor check on your health. Kamu seharusnya pergi dan meminta dokter untuk memeriksa kesehatanmu. Kita lanjutkan. Concentrate on. Concentrate on. Wish artinya berkonsentrasi pada. We should really concentrate on our studies now. We should really concentrate on our studies now. Kita benar-benar harus berkonsentrasi pada pelajaran kita sekarang. I can't concentrate on my work. I can't concentrate on my work. Saya tidak bisa berkonsentrasi pada pekerjaan saya. Depend on, bergantung atau tergantung pada. Their decision will depend on their test result. Their decisions will depend on the test results. Keputusan mereka akan tergantung pada hasil tes. You can always depend on Michael on a crisis. You can always depend on Michael in a crisis. Kamu selalu dapat bergantung pada Michael dalam kondisi krisis. Experimented on, bereksperimen pada. We experiment on both cases. We experiment on both cases. Kami bereksperimen pada kedua kasus. Morris experimented on some canvas. Morris experimented on some canvas. Morris bereksperimen pada beberapa kanvas. Get on bisa berarti lanjutkan dan bisa berarti juga naik. Stop gossiping and get on with the job. Stop gossiping and get on with the job. Berhentilah bergosip dan lanjutkan pekerjaan. Every time I get on a plane, I quake with fear. Every time I get on the plane, I quake with fear. Setiap kali saya naik pesawat, saya gemetar ketakutan. Kita lanjutkan dengan go on, pergi ke. Go on, ask her, she can hardly refuse. Go on, ask her, she can hardly refuse. Pergilah, tanyakan padanya, dia hampir tidak bisa menolak. Let's go on shopping. Ayo pergi berbelanja. Let's go on shopping. Hold on artinya pegang atau tahan. Hold on to me tight. Hold on to me tight. Pegang aku erat-erat. Hold on the phone for a second. Hold on the phone for a second. Tahan telepon sebentar. Impressed on yang artinya melekat. Her rude words are impressed on my memory. Her rude words are impressed on my memory. Kata-kata yang kasar melekat di ingatanku. This lesson is impressed on my mind. This lesson is impressed on my mind. Pelajaran ini melekat di pikiranku. Kita lanjutkan. Masih dengan on. Intent on. Asyik atau berniat. John was so intent on his novel. John was so intent on his novel. John begitu asyik dengan novelnya. My daughter is intent on pursuing a career as a teacher. My daughter is intent on pursuing a career as a teacher. Anak saya berniat untuk mengejar karir sebagai seorang guru. Insist on, bersikeras akan. I insist on your being there. I insist on your being there. Saya bersikeras atas keberadaanmu di sana. They insist on playing their music late at night. They insist on playing their music late at night. Mereka bersikeras atas memainkan musik mereka larut malam. Keen on, tertarik akan. I got quite keen on the idea. I got quite keen on the idea. Saya cukup tertarik dengan ide itu. He is not very keen on jazz. He is not very keen on jazz. Dia tidak terlalu tertarik pada musik jazz. Keep on, melanjutkan. We'll keep on driving while there's still daylight. We'll keep on driving while there's still light. Kita akan melanjutkan mengemudi selagi masih terang. Keep on until you reach the crossing. Keep on until you reach the crossing. Terus saja sampai kamu mencapai perempatan, persimpangan. Live on, hidup dari. He was barely enough money to live on. He was barely enough money to live on. Dia hampir tidak punya cukup uang untuk hidup. I more or less live on pizza. I more or less live on pizza. Saya kurang lebih hidup dari pizza. Pass on bisa berarti meneruskan atau melewatkan. He's not here, I'll pass on the message. He's not here, I'll pass on the message. Dia tidak ada di sini, aku akan meneruskan pesannya. I'm afraid I'll have to pass on that over of coffee. I'm afraid I'll have to pass on that over of coffee. Saya khawatir saya harus melewatkan tawaran kopi itu. Put on, artinya mengenakan atau memakai. He put on his gloves and went out. He put on his gloves and went out. Dia memakai sarung tangannya dan keluar. She combed her hair and put on some lipstick. She combed her hair and put on some lipstick. Dia menyisir rambutnya dan memakai lipstick. Kita lanjutkan. Rely on, bergantung pada atau mengandalkan. I'm relying on my coworker to answer all my emails. I'm relying on my coworker to answer all my emails. Saya mengandalkan rekan saya untuk menjawab semua email saya. Come on, we are relying on you. Come on, we are relying on you. Ayo, kami mengandalkan Anda. Turn on, bisa berarti memasang atau menyalakan. Maria heard him turn on the shower. Maria heard him turn on the shower. Maria mendengar dia menyalakan pancuran. I want to turn on the television. I want to turn on the television. Saya mau menyalakan televisi. Work on, bekerja pada atau mengerjakan. None of your tricks will work on me. None of your tricks will work on me. Tidak satu pun dari trikmu yang akan bekerja pada saya. We began work on the project in May. We began work on the project in May. Kita mulai mengerjakan proyek itu di bulan Mei. Preposition from. Absent from, absent dari. She has been absent from school for several days. She has been absent from school for several days. Dia sudah beberapa hari absen dari sekolah. He is absent from the meeting. He is absent from the meeting. Dia absen dari rapat. Away from, jauh dari atau berpaling. I dislike being away from my family. I dislike being away from my family. Saya tidak suka berada jauh dari keluarga saya. He turned away from his old friends. He turned away from his old friends. Dia berpaling dari teman-teman lamanya. Different from, berbeda dari. Is French very different from Spanish? Is French very different from Spanish? Apakah bahasa Prancis sangat berbeda dari bahasa Spanyol? American English is significantly different from British English. American English is significantly different from British English. Bahasa Inggris Amerika secara signifikan berbeda dari bahasa Inggris British. Kita lanjutkan. From. Escape from artinya lepas dari atau lari dari. No one can escape from the prison camp. No one can escape from the prison camp. Tidak ada yang bisa lepas atau melarikan diri dari kamp penjara. TV is used as an escape from reality. TV is used as an escape from reality. TV digunakan sebagai pelepasan atau pelarian dari kenyataan. Far from, jauh dari. The restaurant is not far from here. The restaurant is not far from here. Restoran itu tidak jauh dari sini. He felt lonely and far from home. He felt lonely and far from home. Dia merasa kesepian dan jauh dari rumah. Protect from, melindungi dari. Sun cream protects you from getting burned. Sun cream protects you from getting burned. Krim tabir surya melindungi Anda dari luka bakar. This spray should protect you from mosquitoes. This spray should protect you from mosquitoes. Semprotan ini harusnya melindungi Anda dari nyamuk. Recover from, sembuh atau pulih dari. I can't recover from breaking up with you. I can't recover from breaking up with you. Saya tidak dapat pulih dari putus denganmu. Has he recovered from the accident yet? Has he recovered from the accident yet? Apakah dia sudah pulih atau sembuh dari kecelakaan itu? Retire from, mengundurkan diri dari atau pensiun. He will retire from the army. He will retire from the army. Dia akan mengundurkan diri dari ketentaraan. Dad retired from the Navy in the 1970s. Dad retired from the Navy in the 1970s. Ayah pensiun dari Angkatan Laut di tahun 1970-an. Safe from, luput atau aman dari. I will keep you safe from harm. Saya akan menjagamu aman dari bahaya. Nobody is safe from suspicion at the moment. Nobody is safe from suspicion at the moment. Tidak ada seorang pun yang luput dari kecurigaan saat ini. Kita lanjutkan. Save from, menyelamatkan. She won an award because she saved the child from drowning. She won an award because she saved the child from drowning. Dia memenangkan penghargaan itu karena dia menyelamatkan anak itu dari tenggelam. Martin made a brilliant save from Nicole's shot. Martin made a brilliant save from Nicole's shot. Martin melakukan penyelamatan brilian dari tembakan Nicole. Secure from, aman dari. They spent the night in a little cave secure from the storm. They spent the night in a little cave secure from the storm. Mereka menghabiskan malam di sebuah gua kecil aman dari badai. Are we secure from attack here? Are we secure from attack here? Apakah kita aman dari serangan di sini? Separate from, terpisah dari. I try to keep meat separate from other food in the fridge. I try to keep meat separate from other food in the fridge. Saya mencoba menjaga daging terpisah dari makanan lain di lemari es. Business bank accounts were kept separate from personal ones. Business bank accounts were kept separate from personal ones. Rekening bank bisnis disimpan terpisah dari rekening pribadi. Suffer from, menderita karena. I suffer from allergies. I suffer from allergies. Saya menderita alergi. Since turning 80, she suffers from lapses in concentration. Since turning 80, she suffers from lapses in concentration. Sejak menginjak usia 80 tahun, dia menderita penurunan konsentrasi. Kita ke preposition in. Believe in, percaya akan atau percaya pada. Does Rick believe in miracles? Does Rick believe in miracles? Apakah Rick percaya pada keajaiban? She doesn't believe in coincidence. She doesn't believe in coincidence. Dia tidak percaya pada kebetulan. Break in, artinya menerobos atau menyelah. The firefighters had to break in to rescue them. The firefighters had to break in to rescue them. Petugas pemadam kebakaran harus mencoba menerobos masuk untuk menyelamatkan mereka. Don't break in when he is telling the story. Don't break in when he is telling the story. Jangan menyelah saat dia bercerita. Kita lanjutkan. Masih di preposition in. Call in artinya menelpon. How many friends will you call in? Berapa banyak teman yang Anda akan hubungi? Don't forget to call in on your way home. Don't forget to call in on your way home. Jangan lupa untuk menelpon dalam perjalanan pulang. Check in, artinya check in. Please check in at least an hour before departure. Please check in at least an hour before departure. Tolong check in setidaknya 1 jam sebelum keberangkatan. I'll ring the hotel. I'll tell them we'll check in tomorrow. I'll ring the hotel. I'll tell them we'll check in tomorrow. Saya akan menelpon hotel. Saya akan memberitahu mereka bahwa kita akan check in besok. Come in, yang artinya masuk. Is it alright to come in? Is it alright to come in? Apakah tidak apa-apa untuk masuk? Do you always come in for a cup of tea? Do you want to come in for a cup of tea? Apakah Anda ingin masuk untuk secangkir teh? Confident in, artinya percaya diri. He has become more confident in his Spanish speaking skills. He has become more confident in his Spanish speaking skills. Dia menjadi lebih percaya diri dalam keterampilan berbahasa Spanyolnya. Be a bit more confident in yourself. Be a bit more confident in yourself. Lebih percaya dirilah. Experienced in, berpengalaman dalam. They want someone who experienced in design. They want someone who experienced in design. Mereka menginginkan seseorang yang berpengalaman dalam desain. He is much experienced in teaching. He is much experienced in teaching. Dia sangat berpengalaman dalam mengajar. Fill in, yang artinya mengisi. When you fill in the form, please write in black ink. When you fill in the form, please write in black ink. Saat kamu mengisi formulir, harap tulis dengan tinta berwarna hitam. How am I going to fill in this afternoon? How am I going to fill in this afternoon? Bagaimana saya akan mengisi sore ini? Get in, yang bisa berarti masuk ataupun naik. He invited us to get in the car and go for a ride with him. He invited us to get in the car and go for a ride with him. Dia mengundang kami untuk masuk ke dalam mobil dan pergi jalan-jalan dengannya. There were crowds of people waiting to get in. There were crowds of people waiting to get in. Ada banyak kerumunan orang yang menunggu untuk masuk. Kita lanjutkan. Masih di preposition in. Interested in, tertarik dengan. Michelle is interested in politics. Michelle is interested in politics. Michelle tertarik dengan politik. I am interested in the idea. I'm interested in the idea. Saya tertarik dengan ide itu. Involved in, terlibat dalam. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. Saya tidak ingin terlibat dalam perdebatan itu. I became heavily involved in politics. I became heavily involved in politics. Saya menjadi jauh terlibat dalam politik. Join in, ikut dalam. I hope you join in the Christmas celebrations. I hope you'll join in the Christmas celebrations. Saya harap Anda akan bergabung dalam perayaan Natal. Can I join in? Can I join in? Bisakah saya bergabung? Live in, tinggal atau hidup. Fallon lives in New York. Fallon is live in New York. Fallon tinggal di New York. We live in peace with our neighbors. We live in peace with our neighbors. Kita hidup damai dengan tetangga-tetangga kami. Participate in, berpartisipasi dalam. I hope everyone will participate in this discussion. I hope everyone will participate in this discussion. Saya berharap setiap orang akan berpartisipasi dalam diskusi ini. She's hoping to participate in the next Olympic Games. She's hoping to participate in the next Olympic Games. Dia berharap untuk berpartisipasi dalam Olimpiade yang berikutnya. Resulted in, yang artinya menyebabkan atau mengakibatkan. The bus accident resulted in my being late to work. The bus accident resulted in my being late to work. Kecelakaan bis itu mengakibatkan saya terlambat masuk kerja. His carelessness resulted in his failure in the exam. His carelessness resulted in his failure in the exam. Kecerobohannya menyebabkan kegagalannya dalam ujian. Specialize in, artinya mengkhususkan diri dalam. Our company specialized in computer software. Our company specializes in computer software. Perusahaan kami mengkhususkan diri dalam perangkat lunak komputer. We specialize in quality furniture. We specialize in quality furniture. Kita mengkhususkan diri dalam perabotan yang berkualitas. Kita lanjutkan. Succeed in, berhasil dalam. You have to work hard if you want to succeed in life. You have to work hard if you want to succeed in life. Anda harus bekerja keras jika Anda ingin sukses dalam hidup. I'm confident you would succeed in the theater. I'm confident you would succeed in the theater. Saya yakin kamu akan sukses di teater. Turn in, yang bisa berarti menyerahkan atau bisa berarti juga siap-siap untuk tidur. Turn in your homework, please. Turn in your homework, please. Tolong serahkan pekerjaan rumah Anda. I usually turn in at about midnight. I usually turn in at about midnight. Saya biasanya bersiap-siap untuk tidur sekitar tengah malam. Walk in, yang artinya masuk. With your background, you should walk in to that job. With your background, you should walk in to that job. Dengan latar belakangmu, kamu seharusnya masuk ke pekerjaan itu. You won't need a ticket, just walk in. You won't need a ticket, just walk in. Anda tidak perlu tiket, masuk aja. Preposition about. Angry about, yang artinya marah akan. My neighbor is angry about the party. My neighbor is angry about the party. Tetangga saya marah akan pesta itu. I'm angry about the decision. I'm angry about the decision. Saya marah akan keputusan itu. Ask about, bertanya tentang. The reason I called was to ask about the plans for Saturday. The reason I called was to ask about the plans for Saturday. Alasan saya menelpon adalah untuk bertanya tentang rencana hari Sabtu. Visitors usually ask about the history of the castle. Visitors usually ask about the history of the castles. Pengunjung biasanya bertanya tentang sejarah kastil. Care about, peduli dengan. He doesn't care about anyone but himself. He doesn't care about anyone but himself. Dia tidak peduli dengan siapapun kecuali dirinya sendiri. What do you care about it? What do you care about it? Apa yang Anda pedulikan dengan hal itu? Kita lanjutkan. Certain about. Certain about, yakin tentang. Are you quite certain about this? Are you quite certain about this? Apakah Anda cukup yakin tentang hal ini? If was certain about one thing, he'd come back. If was certain about one thing, he'd come back. If yakin tentang satu hal, dia akan kembali. Confused about, bingung mengenai. He was very confused about his feelings. He was very confused about his feelings. Dia sangat bingung mengenai perasaannya. I am now very confused about the whole thing. I am now very confused about the whole thing. Sekarang saya sangat bingung mengenai segala sesuatunya. Crazy about, tergila-gila pada. Ellie is crazy about this movie. Ellie is crazy about this movie. Ellie tergila-gila dengan film ini. Rick is crazy about football. Rick is crazy about football. Rick tergila-gila dengan sepak bola. Dream about, bermimpi tentang. What did you dream about last night? What did you dream about last night? Apa yang kamu impikan semalam? It was the kind of trip most of us can only dream about. It was the kind of trip most of us can only dream about. Ini adalah jenis perjalanan yang kebanyakan dari kita hanya bisa impikan. Excited about, bersemangat akan. We are really excited about our trip to Argentina. We are really excited about our trip to Argentina. Kami sangat bersemangat atas perjalanan kami ke Argentina. She's excited about the new job. She's excited about the new job. Dia bersemangat dengan pekerjaan barunya. Hear about, mendengar tentang. I was sorry to hear about your accident. I was sorry to hear about your accident. Saya turut prihatin mendengar tentang kecelakaan Anda. I don't want to hear about it. It's no concern of mine. I don't want to hear about it. It's no concern of mine. Saya tidak ingin mendengar tentang hal itu bukan urusan saya. Nervous about, cemas atau khawatir akan. She was so nervous about her exams that she couldn't sleep. She was so nervous about her exams that she couldn't sleep. Dia sangat cemas akan ujiannya sehingga dia tidak bisa tidur. He's nervous about the presentation. He's nervous about the presentation. Dia cemas akan presentasinya. Kita lanjutkan. Masih tentang about. Read about, membaca tentang. I read about it in the newspaper. I read about it in the newspaper. Saya membaca tentang itu di koran. Forget all you read about the glamour of her life. Forget all you read about the glamour of her life. Lupakan semua yang kamu baca tentang kehidupan mewahnya. Sorry about. We are very, very sorry about what happened. We are very, very sorry about what's happened. Kami sangat-sangat menyesal atas apa yang terjadi. We are very sorry about the damage to your car. We are very sorry about the damage to your car. Kami sangat menyesal atas kerusakan mobil Anda. Talk about, berbicara tentang. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Saya tidak ingin berbicara tentang hal itu lagi. Let's talk about it later. Let's talk about it later. Mari kita bicarakan tentang hal itu nanti. Think about, berpikir tentang. What did you think about the idea? What did you think about the idea? Apa yang Anda pikirkan tentang ide itu? I need more time to think about it. I need more time to think about it. Aku butuh lebih banyak waktu untuk berpikir tentang hal itu. Upset about, jengkel atau kesal karena. David's very upset about losing his job. David's very upset about losing his job. David sangat menyesal karena kehilangan pekerjaannya. There's no point getting upset about it. There's no point getting upset about it. Tidak ada gunanya jengkel karenanya. They worried about, khawatir tentang. They were worried about the exam. They were worried about the exam. Mereka khawatir tentang ujian itu. I'm worried about my husband's health. I'm worried about my husband's health. Saya khawatir tentang kesehatan suami saya. Kita lanjutkan. Preposition juga bisa digabungkan dengan preposition yang lain. Contohnya, according to, menurut. You've been absent 6 times according to our records. You've been absent 6 times according to our records. Anda sudah absen 6 kali menurut catatan kami. According to the forecast, it will be sunny tomorrow. According to the forecast, it will be sunny tomorrow. Menurut ramalan cuaca, akan cerah besok. Across from, di seberang. There's a school just across from our house. There's a school just across from our house. Ada sekolah tepat di seberang rumah kami. The shoe store is across from the bank. The shoe store is across from the bank. Toko sepatu itu berada di seberang bank. Ahead of, lebih awal. The new bridge has been finished 2 years ahead of schedule. The new bridge has been finished 2 years ahead of schedule. Jembatan baru itu sudah diselesaikan 2 tahun lebih awal dari jadwal. She left 1 day ahead of him. She left 1 day ahead of him. Dia pergi 1 hari lebih awal dari dia. Along with, bergaul atau cocok. Are you getting along with her? Are you getting along with her? Apakah Anda bergaul dengan dia atau apakah Anda cocok dengan dia? I don't really get along with my sister's husband. I don't really get along with my sister's husband. Saya tidak benar-benar cocok dengan suami saudara perempuan saya atau ipar saya. apart from, selain. Nothing else matters to him apart from his job. Nothing else matters to him apart from his job. Tidak ada hal yang lain yang penting baginya selain pekerjaannya. I like all sports apart from football. I like all sports apart from football. Saya suka semua olahraga selain sepak bola. As for, yang artinya adapun. As for Joe, she's doing fine. Adapun Joe, dia baik-baik saja. As for the money, don't give it a second thought. As for the money, don't give it a second thought. Soal uang, jangan dipikirkan lagi. As from, terhitung atau mulai. As from today, you are in charge of the office. As from today, you are in charge of the office. Terhitung mulai hari ini, Anda bertanggung jawab atas kantor. As from next Monday, you can use my office. As from next Monday, you can use my office. Terhitung mulai Senin depan, Anda dapat menggunakan kantor saya. Kita lanjutkan. As of, yang artinya mulai. The contract takes effect as of October 1st. The contract takes effect as of October 1st. Kontrak tersebut berlaku mulai 1 Oktober. As of now, there will be no more paid overtime. As of now, there will be no more paid overtime. Mulai sekarang tidak akan ada lagi lembur yang dibayar. As per, sesuai. The work was carried out as per your instructions. The work was carried out as per your instructions. Pekerjaan dilakukan sesuai dengan instruksi Anda. Make up pasta choice as per packet instructions. Make up pasta choice as per packet instructions. Buat pasta choice sesuai instruksi per paket. Kita tidak menerjemahkan brand, nama ataupun bahasa Inggrisnya tentang nama dengan bahasa Indonesia. Pasta choice tidak diterjemahkan dengan pilihan pasta seperti itu, tapi kita tetap mengatakannya pasta choice. Okay, as regards, mengenai. As regards John, I will write to him at once. As regards John, I will write to him at once. Mengenai John, saya akan segera menulis surat padanya. As regards the first point in your letter, mengenai poin pertama dalam surat Anda. As to, seperti misalnya untuk. Would you be so kind as to lock the door when you leave? Would you be so kind as to lock the door when you leave? Maukah Anda berbaik hati seperti misalnya untuk mengunci pintu ketika Anda pergi? I have no doubt as to your ability. I have no doubts as to your ability. Saya tidak meragukan seperti misalnya untuk kemampuan Anda. Aside from, selain dari. Everything was quiet aside from the occasional sound of the car. Everything was quiet aside from the occasional sound of a car. Semuanya hening selain sesekali terdengar suara mobil. I hardly watch any television aside from news and current affairs. I hardly watch any television aside from news and current affairs. Saya hampir tidak menonton televisi selain dari berita dan urusan terkini. Away from, jauh dari. I dislike being away from my family. I dislike being away from my family. Saya tidak suka berada jauh dari keluarga saya. My first instinct was to run away from danger. My first instinct was to run away from danger. Naluri pertama saya adalah lari menjauh dari bahaya. Back to, kembali ke. Let's go back to camp. It's getting dark. Let's go back to camp. It's getting dark. Ayo kembali ke perkemahan. Hari sudah mulai gelap. We all filed back to our seats in silence. We all filed back to our seats in silence. Kami semua kembali ke tempat duduk kami dalam diam. Kita lanjutkan. Because of, karena. She stopped the medication because of side effects. She stopped the medication because of side effects. Dia menghentikan pengobatan karena efek sampingnya. We can't go out because of the rain. We can't go out because of the rain. Kami tidak bisa pergi keluar karena hujan. Counter to, bertentangan dengan. He acted counter to his promise. He acted counter to his promise. Dia bertindak bertentangan dengan janjinya. Disbelief runs counter to modern thought. Disbelief runs counter to modern thought. Keyakinan ini bertentangan dengan pemikiran modern. Except for, kecuali untuk. His composition is excellent except for some grammatical mistakes. His composition is excellent except for some grammatical mistakes. Komposisinya sangat bagus kecuali untuk beberapa kesalahan tata bahasa. Everyone was late except for Richard. Everyone was late except for Richard. Semua orang terlambat kecuali Richard. In between, di antaranya. There is a long list in between. There is a long list in between. Ada daftar panjang di antaranya. The house was near a park, but there was a road in between. The house was near a park, but there was a road in between. Rumah itu dekat taman, tetapi ada jalan di antaranya. Instead of, bukannya atau alih-alih. He used a knife instead of chopsticks. He used a knife instead of chopsticks. Dia menggunakan pisau, bukannya sumpit. Let's reason the matter out instead of quarreling. Let's reason the matter out instead of quarreling. Mari kita pikirkan masalah ini, bukannya bertengkar. Alih-alih bertengkar, mari kita selesaikan masalah ini. Near to, hampir. We came near to being killed. We came near to being killed. Kami hampir dibunuh. She was near to crying. She was near to crying. Dia hampir menangis. Next to, di sebelah. Can I sit next to you? Can I sit next to you? Bolehkah aku duduk di sebelahmu? It's next to the coffee shop. It's next to the coffee shop. Itu di sebelah kedai kopi. Opposite of, lawan kata atau berlawanan. The opposite of fast is slow. The opposite of fast is slow. Lawan kata dari cepat adalah lambat. He is the direct opposite of his brother. He is the direct opposite of his brother. Dia adalah kebalikan langsung dari saudaranya. Kita bisa baca direct untuk American English. Out from, keluar dari. Flames blaze out from the crater of the volcano. Flames blazed out from the crater of the volcano. Api berkobar keluar dari kawah gunung berapi. Music blared out from the open window. Music blared out from the open window. Musik menggelegar keluar dari jendela yang terbuka. Out of, keluar dari atau kehabisan. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Jika Anda tidak tahan panas, keluar dari dapur. We are out of sugar. We are out of sugar. Kita kehabisan gula. Outside of, yang artinya di bagian luar. The outside of the house needs painting. The outside of the house needs painting. Bagian luar rumah membutuhkan pengecatan. I walked around the outside of the building. I walked around the outside of the building. Aku berjalan sekitar bagian luar dari gedung itu. Round about, sekitar, round about. A new roof will cost round about 3,000 US dollars. A new roof will cost around 3,000 US dollars. Atap baru itu akan menelan biaya sekitar 3.000 dolar Amerika. They arrived round about 7 last night. They arrived round about 7 last night. Mereka tiba sekitar pukul 7 kemarin malam. Up against, menempel ke. He pressed his nose up against the window. He pressed his nose up against the window. Dia menekan hidungnya menempel ke jendela. He is leaning up against the wall. He is leaning up against the wall. Dia bersandar menempel ke dinding. Up to bisa berarti hingga atau terserah. The hotel can accommodate up to 500 guests. The hotel can accommodate up to 500 guests. Hotel ini dapat menampung hingga 500 tamu. It's up to you to do that. It's up to you to do that. Terserah Anda untuk melakukan itu. Oke, sekarang kita coba dengan exercise. Oke, kita lihat jawabannya. Number 1, the bone was for the dog. The bone was for the dog. Tulang itu untuk anjing itu. We are going on vacation in August. We are going on vacation in August. Kami akan berlibur di bulan Agustus. Please put the vase on the table. Please put the vase on the table. Tolong letakkan vas itu di atas meja. I received a present from Janet. I received a present from Janet. Saya menerima hadiah dari Janet. School begins on Monday. School begins on Monday. Sekolah dimulai pada hari Senin. I'm really proud of you. I'm really proud of you. Saya benar-benar bangga padamu. She's responsible for health and safety. She's responsible for health and safety. Dia bertanggung jawab atas kesehatan dan keselamatan. He's allergic to seafood. He's allergic to seafood. Dia alergi makanan laut. Kita lanjutkan dengan exercise yang berikutnya. Kita lihat jawabannya number 9. They are interested in our project. They are interested in our project. Mereka tertarik dengan proyek kita. I'm addicted to that new series on Channel 4. I'm addicted to that new series on Channel 4. Saya kecanduan serial baru di Channel 4. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Gula tidak baik atau buruk untuk gigi Anda. I'm really excited about the new house. I'm really excited about the new house. Saya sangat senang atau sangat tertarik dengan rumah baru itu. My boss is terrible at communicating. My boss is terrible at communicating. Bos saya buruk dalam berkomunikasi. Number 14. She is interested in buying the flat. She is interested in buying the flat. Dia tertarik untuk membeli flat itu atau apartment itu. Number 15. I'm a bit nervous about going somewhere so different. I'm a bit nervous about going somewhere so different. Aku sedikit gelisah pergi ke sebuah tempat yang begitu berbeda. The activities will be similar to what we did last year. The activities will be similar to what we did last year. Kegiatannya akan mirip atau sama seperti yang kita lakukan tahun lalu. Masih kita lanjutkan dengan exercise yang berikutnya. Kita lihat jawabannya number 1. It smells of coconut in here. It smells of coconut in here. Bau kelapa di sini. Tax is based on how much you earn. Tax is based on how much you earn. Pajak didasarkan pada berapa banyak yang Anda hasilkan. We promise to respond to all emails within 3 days. We promise to respond to all emails within 3 days. Kami berjanji untuk menanggapi semua email dalam waktu 3 hari. I'm doing a law degree specializing in commercial law. I'm doing a law degree specializing in commercial law. Saya mengambil gelar sarjana hukum dengan spesialisasi hukum komersial. Our staff will provide you with audio guides on request. Our staff will provide you with audio guides on request. Staf kami akan menyediakan untuk Anda paduan audio berdasarkan permintaan. It took me 2 weeks to recover from the flu. It took me 2 weeks to recover from the flu. Butuh waktu 2 minggu bagiku untuk sembuh dari flu. Shall I ask for the bill? Shall I ask for the bill? Haruskah saya meminta tagihan? We succeeded in raising the money for the local animal shelter. We succeeded in raising the money for the local animal shelter. Kami berhasil dalam mengumpulkan uang untuk penampungan hewan setempat. He wants to be involved with making the decision. He wants to be involved with making the decision. Dia ingin terlibat dalam pengambilan keputusan. She's angry at not being invited to the dinner. She's angry at not being invited to the dinner. Dia marah karena tidak diundang ke makan malam. You are good at talking to big groups of people. You are good at talking to big groups of people. Anda pandai berbicara dengan sekelompok besar orang. Eating a food of red meat is not good for you. Eating a lot of red meat is not good for you. Makan banyak daging merah tidak baik untuk Anda. I'm afraid of flying. I'm afraid of flying. Saya takut terbang. Are you pleased with your new car? Are you pleased with your new car? Apakah Anda senang dengan atau apakah Anda puas dengan mobil baru Anda? Sally was mad at the children for making so much noise. Sally was mad at the children for making so much noise. Sally marah pada anak-anak karena membuat begitu banyak kebisingan. Kita lanjutkan. Oke, lihat jawabannya. I find it hard to concentrate on anything when the television is on. I find it hard to concentrate on anything when the television is on. Saya merasa sulit untuk berkonsentrasi pada apapun ketika televisi menyala. They apologized for hurting her feelings. They apologized for hurting her feelings. Mereka meminta maaf karena menyakiti perasaannya. I never agree with my sister on politics. I never agree with my sister on politics. Saya tidak pernah setuju dengan saudara perempuan saya tentang politik. She suffers from terrible headaches in hot weather. She suffers from terrible headaches in hot weather. Dia menderita sakit kepala yang sangat hebat dalam cuaca panas. I'm applying for internships this summer to get some work experience. I'm applying for internships this summer to get some work experience. Saya melamar untuk magang musim panas ini untuk mendapatkan pengalaman kerja. My mother didn't approve of my friends when I was a teenager. My mother didn't approve of my friends when I was a teenager. Ibu saya tidak setuju dengan teman-teman saya ketika saya masih remaja. Do you believe in ghost? Do you believe in ghost? Apakah Anda percaya pada hantu? Karim, let me introduce you to Professor Sang. Karim, let me introduce you to Professor Sang. Karim, izinkan saya untuk memperkenalkan Anda dengan Profesor Sang. I've just come from the book. I just come for the book your brother borrowed from me. I just come for the book your brother borrowed from me. Aku datang hanya untuk mengambil buku yang dipinjam kakakmu dariku. I have nothing particular to talk about. I have nothing particular to talk about. Saya tidak punya hal yang khusus untuk dibicarakan. If you still talk about it, you still care about it. If you still talk about it, you still care about it. Jika Anda masih membicarakannya, berarti Anda masih peduli tentang hal itu. Please refrain from smoking in this area. Please refrain from smoking in this area. Tolong tahan untuk tidak merokok di area ini. Go and apply for a job. Go and apply for a job. Pergi dan lamarlah pekerjaan. This meal is typical of local cookery. This meal is typical of local cookery. Makanan ini khas makanan lokal. I was very angry with myself for making such a stupid mistake. I was very angry with myself for making such a stupid mistake. Aku sangat marah pada diriku sendiri karena melakukan kesalahan yang bodoh seperti itu. Oke teman-teman, sekian dulu pelajaran di video kita kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Semoga bermanfaat bagi kalian. Saya minta maaf kalau ada yang salah-salah dalam penyampaian informasi. Dan sekali lagi, mohon dibantu dengan like, share, subscribe, dan komennya. Okay guys, see you on the next video and bye-bye.